Biafra-Ambazonia and the Biafra Alliance. They say Tinubu don vow, so you no go gree. Say this one no go happen for the country where he be the president. No be smart, no. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Barnabas GC. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. I beg you, today we will quickly jump into the matter where we will get to, but before we do so, check whether you don't subscribe to this channel. If you never, may you try, go subscribe and also follow our Facebook page as well and all our social media handles as you dey hot. No be smart, you know. Remember that the last time when Nandekalu Day, he make alliance with Ambazonia. That time Nigeria government panic. As the convention is going on in Finland, Simon Ekpa remember the alliance again and make another alliance and sign a more deeper with Choose, which is the leader of the Ambazonians. They say as that thing they go on, now Nigeria government they panic. Say no wonder Kala come for everywhere for street. No wonder. No be small panic. So we go play the video of the moment where Choose and Simon Ekpa speak concerning the alliance between Biafra and Ambazonia. So we go watch the video before we go come back, come talk more about this update.
Great Ambazonians, Cameroonians call us the Biafran. That is exactly how they look at us. We have risen, and we have risen to fall no more. And I'm very grateful for your passion. I'm grateful for your enthusiasm. But take note, this is just the beginning. As I said, it's not a walk in the park. There will be a day you get up, maybe he's dead. There will be a day you get up, I'm not around. You should be ready to take the baton and keep fighting until the day that Biafra is free. Thank you, Biafrans. All hail Biafra and all hail Ambazonia.
Thank you very much, Dr. Cho, the action leader of the Ambazonia people. And like you all know, today is a historic day again for Biafra and Ambazonia. We are going to sign a treaty like, all right, a treaty-like agreement today, considering the right of the Ambazonians and Biafrans to pursue an education that takes into consideration local realities and further considering the right of the young and the future generation and the right of girls and women. We, the people of Biafra and Ambazonia, hereby solemnly pledge and reaffirm our determination as two people, our right to self-determination and the right to self-preservation of the dignity of our two peoples. We hereby commit to work together now and in the future for the realization of the dreams of our people, and further pledge that this commitment will always be passed on to our next generation. We today solemnly agreeing that the defense of Biafra and Ambazonia will be the first priority of both countries. We are going to build a military joint operation to make sure that both Nigeria and Cameroon suffer for the genocide they have committed against our people. This relationship and this alliance has been in existence secretly. and today it will be officially open for every record-keeping history to take note that today we go into a very powerful alliance with Ambazonia to continue what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Dr. Chio Ayaba has done in the past. To this end, we all know what Nigeria did to Biafra because of the blockade. I tell you, with this alliance today, the blockade is a bygone history. The Biafra Naval, the Black Marine, and the Dragon Marine fighters are currently engaging the terrorist government in the Gulf of Guinea. We are taking charge of our coasts and our waterways. In the last weeks, we have given them a very powerful hit. I mean the Cameroon occupiers. The terrorist Cameroon occupiers in Biafra-Bakassi area, we've given them the highest woto. They said we use suicide bomb. We don't use suicide bomb. We don't do suicide bombing. We develop what we call we developed Ogunigwe, that is called Biafra Wonder. We targeted the Cameroon terrorist forces disturbing our people in Bakassi, and many of them were sent to God for judgment, to hell. Because after today, it can never remain the same. For that reason, we call on Cameroon and Nigeria to withdraw all their military and civilian colonial administrators from our both Ambazonia. Both from Ambazonia and from Biafra territory, respectively, with immediate effect. What I am saying now is not a joke. I am telling you the fact. The redeclaration of Biafra is fast approaching. We've started the delegitimization of the Nigeria terrorist representative in Biafra territory, but today we are officially calling on them to withdraw them immediately. We also call on Cameroon and Nigeria to unconditionally release all of our citizens incarcerated in their prisons. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and every other person from Biafra, likewise the Ambazonians. After today, there will be no room for negotiation other than the day for independence or the declaration of the Biafra Republic. Thank you. the declaration between Ambazonia and Biafra shall be called Biafra-Ambazonia Declaration Helsinki. Biafra-Ambazonia Declaration 2023. Please let me make the pronouncement properly. The declaration today between Ambazonia and Biafra shall be called Biafra-Ambazonia Helsinki Declaration 2023.
The best thing that can happen to you in this life is freedom. If you have freedom, you know the meaning of the life you are living. In this particular earth where we trap into, if you have freedom, at least you know the meaning of the life you are living. There is something that I see today on social media where someone is talking about boy training girl to school, and after that the girl is not disappointed. It's not related for what I'm saying, but I just want to use this as an example. And when I see that thing, it pushed me to comment, and I write that this can only happen in Africa. So this is one of the things that freedom denies the girls to have. Because in Europe, there's no boy can come outside and say he trains somebody to school, or he trains somebody to learn a work, or he trains somebody to do this. It doesn't happen in Europe. In Europe, if you grow from your childhood, since if you say you want to go to school, government must make sure there is organization who are in charge of this. They will make sure that you finish your school without even paying a dime. So many organizations are doing so. I also go to school here with no paying, but I'm not from here. You understand? So this is the reason why the freedom of Ambazonia and the freedom of Biafra must be realized, so that all those kind of story, a boy will wake up and kill himself because the girl he trained in school did not marry later. Yes, because you have seen another life, different thing from what you have been getting from you, or what I've been seeing from you. But if you have a good government, she will go to school, you will go to school. The girl will make a choice of what you want, you make a choice of what you want. So I'm trying to describe the kind of freedom that we have, and most of the things that are happening around us today will not happen. Ambazonia and Biafra must be free. Guys, I want you to share this video, and I want those who don't want people to be free and you still suppressing them, keep on doing so. But the only thing that I know, that the freedom of people must be their priority, and they must get their freedom. This is for sure. So please guys, share this video, and also make sure that you are following and subscribe to this particular channel. Thank you so much for watching.